Bring the 150 bull. I think I might have to come up and help you. I think we're gonna have to we're gonna throw the rope. We're gonna throw the rope up through this Y on this oak. Then we'll pull the bull up, tie it off to this, pull it with the bobcat, pick this tree right up off the top of the excavator, let the excavator get out. Yeah, you're not allowed, you can't move nowhere. The side hoses are, you see the branch up in the hoses there. And then, that's where they made impact. We have no leaks yet. And then the side is touching hoses too. Right up there, just about. Now, I almost want to put a shield over that. Because we're going to be doing this all the time. Oh man. I don't got no time for this. Oh boy. Here we go. Got to calm down. Here we got some kind of crazy freaking pulley and rope thing now.
Stump guy! Yippee! Hey, tasty cake? Go ahead. Yeah.
Thank you.
Trucking logs today. Meh, meh. We're going to do it, man.
That's 2 loads out this morning. Stumps is down there with Chug. They're gonna push some more trees over, start bucking them up. Shag's gonna work on getting some of this wood out of here. We're gonna do cherry and maple right now. We're not mixing the loads. We're gonna keep them separated until it's time to do our blending. So that's the plan for the day. Very sunny day. The fire guy never showed up. Said something about 13 miles per hour. That's wonderful. Come on out and explain to us what we got to do. And we'll make sure we abide by the rules. Come give us an idea. What you want, what you're looking for. Don't just say 13 mile per hour winds. I know you ain't that busy. Meh, whatever. So we're gonna keep rooting for the home team. Keep bucking and trucking. We ain't doing no chucking. We're knocking trees down. Try to get this thing done. Wow. What a task. Okay. We'll be back. What do you think so far, Chug?
I think it's wide open spaces now. It wasn't so far. But look at that machine over there. See that case? It's all over the place.
Who's that guy?
So everybody says?
Stump's getting his butt kicked by a giant monster. He's trying his best. I don't know. suckers be? Ooh. Shut it down. We're okay right now. You won't be.
What's coming down?
Woo!
Hold on.
See all that action?
I saw it.
Holy moly. Hey, how'd it make your heart feel, Stumps?
I shrunk about 6 inches.
That's what she said. Yeah. Cherry got us. On the side.
Save that cherry for my fireplace. Oh, I'll burn that thing.
She's got a hold of a hose right now.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah, that's why you can't move. That's a big freaking tree too. He's right on top of 2 giant hoses. Oh boy. Oh boy. The top one's in the hoses. Alright. Alright.
You want to get the dingo to lift this side up?
Dingo ain't gonna get it.
And then he can drop his thing down slow?
The dingo ain't gonna get it. Not that cherry. Alright, so let me get up there. Let's try to lighten this thing up some. Where's the cat? That's too tall for the cat. Alright. Where's the saw at, Chug? Alright, we're going up top. Try to chop this thing up a little bit. Try not to get killed. Yeah, that's definitely a big one. The cherry coming out of nowhere on the side caught us off guard. Almost cost us friggin' $2 grand. Probably at least. Man. Not yet. This is a predicament here, people. Alright, I got an idea. Maybe see this. Chug, go get on the table, get our ball that throws for the rope to pull our ropes, and then bring that 150 bull. Bring the 150 bull. I think I might have to come up and help you. I think we're gonna have to put we're gonna throw the rope. We're going to throw the rope up through this Y on this oak. Then we'll pull the bull up, tie it off to this, pull it with the bobcat, pick this tree right up off the top of the excavator, let the excavator get out.
Okay. I'm taking that.
Yeah, you're not allowed, you can't move nowhere. The side hoses are, you see the branch up in the hoses there. And then, that's where they made impact. We have no leaks yet. And then the side is touching hoses too. Right up there, just about. Now, I almost want to put a shield over that. Because we're going to be doing this all the time. Oh man. I don't got no time for this. Oh boy. Here we go. Got to calm down. Here we got some kind of crazy freaking pulley and rope thing now. I don't want to try to cut it off.
Nah, because it'll drop.
It'll drop. The bobcat can't get up high enough.
Yeah. So you're going to tie that off and then lower my boom?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Tie that tree off. We'll tie this tree off to that tree way up there in the Y. And then let Stumps lower his boom with us up here helping to get that thing off there, and we'll sneak this machine up out of there. Even if it takes us 20 minutes, it's still faster than any other way getting that stump out. Yeah, that's safe. I don't know about this being safe, but oh, good boy. Man, there was so much going on. Huh? Yeah. It didn't even take nothing out. It don't even look like it fell down anywhere. I thought it would make a big like hole. Oh. That's a 4-foot base. Oh. We're gonna need the big chainsaw for that one. Wow. We'll be back. Get this set up. Beneath the trees! Yeah, we're good. Yes. Bang. Shoo! We got it out. We got the thing off the excavator. That's it. I'm done. Mentally, beep. Gotta be careful. Safety first. Don't rip your lines off the machines. This is a big job. That's a big tree. I hope it's the biggest ones of the whole batch. We'll see what happens. Till next time. Woo! Extreme Forestry. Greatest firewood adventure ever.